Hey guys, for your practice, you're going to be doing an experiment. We're going to be doing a sugar cube experiment like these. And you're going to be observing how water can slowly break down an object, just like weathering. Let's start with our first step. I need you guys to make me a prediction. How many drops of water do you think it will take to change the shape of the sugar cube? So if you were to put slow drops of water on the cube, how many drops do you think it will take to change the shape? Go ahead and write the number here of how many drops you think it will be and press pause while you write that amount. So now that we did step 1, we have our prediction of how many drops we think it will take. We're going to do step 2. We're going to carry out our investigation. So I first need you to put your sugar cube on a plate. Go ahead and grab one sugar cube and put it on the plate. Then you're going to use the dropper to squeeze drops of water onto your cube. Now, when you fill this dropper with water, you need to squeeze really slow drops of water onto your cube so that you can count. And you're going to be squeezing drops of water onto your cube until you see a change of shape in the cube. Okay, so our goal is to get the cube to change its shape by adding water. In this box, you're going to record tally marks of how many drops of water it took. And then down here, I would like you to draw me what the cube looks like now that you changed its shape. It's going to look different. It's not going to look like a perfect cube anymore. So make sure here you put your tally marks for how many drops it took. And at the bottom, draw what your cube looks like now. Once you're done, I would like you to continue to drop water onto your cube until the whole cube is gone. So you're going to use tally marks again, and you're going to use tally marks to show me how many drops it took to make your cube totally disappear. And then obviously you would draw your cube that no longer exists on your plate in this box. And your tally marks here for how many drops it took to make the cube completely gone. I can't wait to see your results for the experiment. And if you need any of this read back to you again, go back in the video and play the directions again. Have fun.